I used the Ahava mud mask last night. It dried in 2 seconds. I don't know if it did anything because it was the first time, but my skin feels fine. Okay, so I'm gonna try the Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner, and in the video that Jaclyn Hill posted today, she showed us a technique that she just lines her eyes kind of sloppily and then wipes most of it away, and it gives that nice dark tight line. So I'm gonna try that and we'll see how it goes. I do have my makeup removing cold cream here. Ah! Stuff doesn't stay in my waterline for some reason. Maybe it's just too watery. Cute. Okay, so then she said to take a Q-tip and like a makeup, like a cream. I think my cream is too effective. Nothing for you to cry. Okay, no, that didn't do what I was hoping that it would. Oh. Now my eyes are covered in oil, so I gotta go wipe this off real quick. Yeah, this looks like nothing like what she had. So next I'm gonna try out the Douce eyeshadow that I got. It's in the shade Ariana, and I'm gonna use the new brush that I got from Scone, their large shadow brush. Okay, my eyes are primed and set, so I'm going to go in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm doing my foundation last because I don't know if the sample shadow will have any fallout, so. Not that it, like, super matters because it's 8:30 at night, so I'm not going anywhere. Next I'm going to take this brown shadow from the NYX Happy Birthday palette. And just keep that low and in the crease. Now for the star of the show, I'm not going to throw it this time. I'm going to take this flat brush from Scone. Kind of subtle, but really pretty. I will go in with a wet brush after I do the first coat, just to amp it up a little. This brush has a really thick handle compared to any of the other eye brushes that I have, including my Morphe brush, which is one of the other thick ones. So here's a comparison between the two. They're really big. And then my e.l.f. brush up next to it. So that's my e.l.f., Morphe, and the Scone. I think it's really pretty. It's just a nice sparkly brown. Okay, I'm gonna try something that I've never done before. I'm going to take the Sex Kitten eyeliner, go very, very, very tightly against the lash line. I'm going to take this broken eye smudger brush. I think it was from Eco Tools. It's very broken. I'm just kind of smudging out the eyeliner to darken it up. To hide the brow bone, I'm going to go in with the Winky Lux highlighter that came in the Ipsy bag. Okay, I'm going to do my foundation off camera and I'll be back. Okay, I wanted to do a little work on the lower lash line. So I'm going to kick off the powder that I had underneath, setting the eye. I do have powder over most of the rest of my face. I'm going to take the Sex Kitten eyeliner and just lightly run it along the lower lash. Because there is still some residue from before. Not as much as I wanted, but... And I'm going to go in with that dark brown from the NYX Happy Birthday palette on that smudger brush that we were using before. Ooh, oh, that was a lot. Shoot. Oh! That was awful. What's happening? It just kind of gives it that smudged out second day look. I'll throw on some mascara really fast and I'll be right back. So I just put on some butter bronzer and a more mauve-y toned blush because I don't think bright blushes go well with like super grungy looks. So I did use this blush from the Morphe 9B palette. The last thing is highlight. So we're gonna go back in with the Winky Lux. My fingers are clean. I did just barely wash them. So I'm going to take a little bit on a finger. Just tap, tap, tap. Take my expert cheek brush, multitask cheek brush, and just really blend that out. It's a real pink toned highlighter. Gonna go over everything with my Maybelline Fit Me powder to blend and set. Kind of subdue the highlight a little. I mean, it is real subtle already, but just make it blend in with the skin more. To finish off the look is lipstick. I'm going to go in with Jeffree Star Cosmetics Lip Ammo in the shade Unicorn Blood. In one of my recent videos in the Freestyle Friday Black Smoky Eye tutorial, I used the L'Oreal in the shade Doesn't Matter. And they're actually really close to each other, but I feel like Doesn't Matter goes on a lot more berry toned. And so with darker grungy looks, I prefer to use Unicorn Blood. I just forgot about it, I guess, in the last video. Yes. Alright, you guys, that is it for my March 2018 Ipsy Glam Bag. In review, these are the products that I received. The Freematic eyeshadow by Duce in the shade Ariana. This large eyeshadow brush from Scone. I really liked this one. It's very soft. Did a great job. This beautiful pinky highlighter from Winky Lux in the most beautiful box I've ever seen. A Hava Time to Clear Purifying Mud Mask and the Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner. I hope you guys enjoyed this month's Ipsy unbagging. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! I will soon you'll find there's nothing for you to gain. I'm going with butter bronzer. And to highlight the brow bone, I'm going to